Earlier this year I went to South Korea for 7 weeks for work. Even though I was busy the majority of the time, I had plenty of spare time to explore the country as well. Sadly, my camera got stolen right after I returned home. The good thing is that I got the majority of the money back through my insurance, but the downside is that the memory card in the second slot was still inside the camera. I used my second slot to save my video files, and as you can guess, this means I lost a lot of my vlogging footage. So I've been sitting on this footage for quite a while, and I figured I might as well make it the best I can with the footage I still have. So enjoy this small montage of the footage I made during my trip before we head into a night under the stars in South Korea. What's up everyone? So today I've driven to a lake which is about 2 hours from Seoul. It looks quite nice from here. Let me show you guys the view. Look at that. That's basically the view of the lake. I've been here for a good 1.5 hours already. Made some drone shots of the area, and as you can see, the sun is now set. There's no more light on the hills, and it's clear blue. It's clear, not a cloud in the sky. So I'm really just going to wait for about 1 more hour for the stars to come out and do some astrophotography. And if I planned everything correctly, Orion should be located somewhere in the background above the lake. So that's basically my goal for tonight. So yeah, let's just wait for 1 more hour. I'll make a few more drone shots and see you in a bit. It's a little bit foggy. It's a little bit hazy. With the naked eye, I can barely see the definition of the top of the mountains, the further they are. But on camera, it seems sort of okay. I hope it doesn't get too foggy, but because I want to shoot some stars over this lake. Oh, there's Orion. Orion's belt. So I kind of miscalculated the shot, as you can see. But for Orion itself. But if I stay long enough, the Milky Way will rise in that direction. But that means that I will have to stay at least till midnight. I'm not sure if that's possible because I have shift tomorrow. And it's still a 2-hour drive back to Seoul. So yeah, that's something I have to think about. We'll see what happens. So my plan has changed. There's nothing I can really combine with this foreground. So instead I'm currently shooting a time lapse which I will later edit into a star trail image. So that's basically the plan now. After I got some images to make star trails, I will head back to my hotel and then call it a night.
I'm actually pretty satisfied with this shot, even though it was not the shot I planned beforehand. I wasn't able to shoot the Milky Way shot I mentioned earlier, but I went back 3 weeks later to capture that shot anyways. I didn't vlog at that time because I shared this spot with about 12 Korean guys who were doing the same thing. And as you can imagine, me being the only non-Korean guy there, going out with my vlogging camera, speaking English all the time towards my camera, it would be a little bit awkward. So I decided to hold off from that. But I got the shot though, and I must honestly say I think this is the best image I've ever made since I started this hobby. So yeah, here it is.